If you have ever thought about whether or not you are making the right choices when it comes to selecting skincare, you are not alone. This video may help you have a better understanding on the immediate and the long-term effects of our skincare products. This simple skincare test is a great way to reduce toxic chemicals from entering your body and also into our environment. Did you know that there are ways to determine if your skincare products are safe for yourself and for our environment? Test your skincare products on elements of nature and observe any evidence of decay within the natural process. Part 1 of our leaf and water test. Let's begin. What you will need is 2 drinking glasses, 2 cups of tap water, 2 wooden skewers, and fresh leaves. And also, don't forget your favorite body wash. On the left is a leading national brand of body wash, and on the right, there's the natural brand of body wash. Pour a couple of drops of solution in each glass. Mix and stir until dissolved. Notice the water instantly turn cloudy in glass A, which is likely caused when mixing insoluble calcium and magnesium, which is found in the soap, with hard water. The water in glass B remained clear. Gently lay 1 or 2 leaves on top of the water. The results. Will the fresh leaves sink or float in the body wash solution? Here's a scientific explanation. Plant material will generally float in water. This is because leaves have air in the spaces in between the cells, which helps them collect carbon dioxide gas from their environment to use in photosynthesis. Let's see what Mother Nature has to say. So on day 1 of my experiment, I noticed that there was no movement in either one of the glasses, and the leaves in both solutions were floating at the top. Now this is day 2, and the leaf in solution B fell to the bottom of the glass. On day 3, the water in glass B became cloudy, which is likely a sign of leaf decay. On day 4, the leaf in glass B remained at the bottom of the glass and continued to show signs of decay. And on day 5, there was no new movement in either glass. I examined the leaf solutions for a total of 8 days. Then I carefully examined the leaves for signs of decay by removing them with a pair of tongs. Then I placed them back into the water after my observation was complete. At the end of my skincare test, this is what I discovered. Leaf B, the national brand, showed some signs of visible decay, and it remained at the bottom of the glass. Leaf A, our natural brand, remained at the top and showed very little signs of decay. It is very important to allow your leaves to sit in the solution for a minimum of 5 days. I did a total of 8 days. As of today, day number 9, leaf A continues to thrive in a solution of all natural body wash. So to conclude, please remember that it is very important that you test your skincare products for toxins regularly by using natural elements such as fruits, veggies, and plants. And last but not least, remember to conduct your research and share your results in the comments below. Thank you for visiting the Alisi Natural Skincare YouTube page. Stay tuned for part 2. And if you like this video, please remember to hit the subscribe button below. And to learn more about our natural skincare products, please visit alisinaturals.com.